The following 20-second video shows several procedures for which there is no substitute. They take time, but the consequences of not doing them can be severe. Guest complaints, guest demands for a full re-cleaning of a kitchen, guest escalation, more things in a home under a magnifying glass, and guest requests for refund. Our inspectors need to inspect every knife, spoon, and fork, and then the drawer needs to be left neatly arranged and ready for a guest. Bowls and dishes should also be removed from the closet and carefully inspected. We have a joke in the cleaning business, and that is that it's always the fourth plate down that's dirty. Likewise, small remnants of scrambled eggs at the end of a spatula will send some guests into orbit. It cannot happen. And in closing, the coffee maker is very important to some guests. It must be spotless and smell good.
Smell is good.
We are proud to be serving Scottsdale, Arizona and Orange Beach, Alabama. With over 30 years in the business, I've served over 1 million guests. We require our cleaners to become certified in vacation rental cleaning and require extensive hands-on training and testing. We'd like to serve you. We'll make sure that your vacation rental home shines. If you'd like to purchase my book on Amazon, it's called It Needs to Be Perfect: Mastering the Vacation Rental Cleaning Business. Thank you.